has the U.S. ever used biological weapons before? Is this something that is in the United States arsenal? And the answer is, look, the U.S. had an official biological warfare program that officially began in 1943, and it officially did end in 1969. However, we do know that the United States has been using biological weapons well before 1943. We know the colonizers were using biological weapons when they unleashed smallpox on the natives. And there's reason to believe that the United States never really fully stopped using and developing biological weapons. During the official program of those 27 years, the U.S. developed 6 mass-produced battle-ready biological weapons in the form of agents that caused anthrax, rabbit fever, brucellosis, Q fever, Venezuelan equine encephalitis virus, botulism. Also, a type of food poisoning was produced as an incapacitating agent. In addition to the agents that were ready to be used, the U.S. program conducted research into the weaponization of more than 20 other agents, including smallpox, plague, yellow fever, typhus, bird flu, and the toxin ricin. Besides the numerous pathogens that afflict human beings, the U.S. had developed an arsenal of anti-agricultural biological agents. These included rice stem rust spores and the causative agent of rice blasts. And a U.S. facility at Fort Terry focused primarily on anti-animal biological agents. The first agent that was a candidate for development was foot and mouth disease. So besides foot and mouth disease, 5 other top secret biological weapons projects were commissioned on Plum Island. The other 4 programs researched included RVF, rinderpest, African swine fever, plus 11 miscellaneous exotic animal diseases. The 11 miscellaneous pathogens were blue tongue virus, bovine influenza, bovine virus diarrhea, fowl plague, goat pneumonitis, mycobacteria, N virus, Newcastle disease, sheep pox, Tescher's disease, and vesicular stomatitis. So I think the answer to, has the U.S. ever used biological weapons before, is a resounding yes.